long back. So if I was the route setter, I was always thinking, it would be nice to have one boy getting to the top as a route setter. I am sure the same thing should be in the minds of the route setters. I don't want to disturb them and ask them now, but I'm sure that's what they're thinking. And looking at the composure of this boy, he may be able to go to the top. Yeah, he looks more composed. He's using the donut really well with his feet. And under clinch after this.
For rest position. Yeah.
Did he get the right hand there?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's the way that you thought.
Yeah. Exactly.
It's very interesting, RTMs, because these are sections where people like me will not be able to, because I'm a little disconnected for climbing, and I think even the crowd, many of them wouldn't know your thought process. So it'll be nice to tell me what was your thought process. You're thinking that this section would be hard so that you can make them pumped up, so that they have a very hard section and then the best of them comes out. That was the whole idea?
No. After the qualification result that we see, we make the final a little easier. Exactly, the first one and middle section make it easier than the original one.
Okay.
And
so you made some changes after you looked at
yeah, I make it at least one grade easier than the before, and actually the first and middle part.
Whoa. Now, is he the highest point? Has he gone to the highest point?
I think so.
No, I think so too, that he must have gone to the highest point. And looks quite composed even now.
Yes. And when we see his climbing in the qualification, he looks strong.
Stronger compared to the others.
Yeah, exactly. Nice. You see?
Wow.
He's really stronger than the others.
So you can see how the route setters have thought about every climber, and that's why they sit down, in spite of them being tired of setting routes for many days, they sit down, watch the qualification, make those final changes to make sure that the best of the athlete comes off. And this is an absolute example of a fantastic route that At-Times and his team has set up.
Nice.
I'm sure he's annoyed because I'm troubling him while he's watching. But I think it is nice to know his final thoughts, because what a climb it has been by this young Korean boy, and it'll be great to see him top it. He's got a knee drop to rest. He's now trying to. Okay, he has clipped. He had a nice knee drop. Jun Hyung Ko.
Last move. Just one move left. He's super strong.
At-Times, thanks for a fantastic, it's been a show when it comes to the boys' route. I thank you for setting up fantastic routes. You've seen the crowd, they've enjoyed it so much. And I think your team also must be relieved to see an athlete go almost to the last hold. And I think you've tried to get the best out of this boy. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We have the two more girls to go in the in the girls section. We have Lee Jiun, bib number 155, and after her there are two more people, all the three from Korea, and we can expect some tough competition to the climber who topped from Korea. हैव अमोल विद मी। अमोल, आप यहाँ पर है, कोच ऑफ द इंडियन टीम है, पुणे से हैं। आप देख रहे हैं कि ये जो आज का जो माहौल है, इस माहौल से यहाँ पर क्लाइंबिंग का बदलाव आने का संभावना है।
डेफिनेटली सर, इंडिया में तो मेरे ख्याल से 2028 ओलंपिक में होपफुली ये पूरा फ्रीडम देख के और ये फैसिलिटी देख के ऐसा लगता है कि हम जो पीछे थे अभी 2028 में हमें ओलंपिक में भी मेडल आ सकता है। और रिसेंटली हमारे कुछ कोच से भी बात हुआ तो दे वाज लास्ट 2 ईयर्स से इस साल बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है इंडिया टीम का, एंड दे वाज वेरी गुड। इंडिया टीम बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है और आगे भी स्ट्रॉन्ग परफॉर्मेंस करता रहेगा। और
नहीं, मेरा सवाल ये है कि इस यहाँ पर जो माहौल है, ये माहौल जो बना है आज पिंपरी चिंचवड़ में, पुणे में, इस माहौल से आपको लगता है कि क्लाइंबिंग में बदलाव आएगा लोगों की सोच में, बच्चों की सोच में?
सर डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैं पूरा एशिया में ऐसा लगता है कि ये इंडिया में फ़र्स्ट टाइम जो कंपटीशन हो रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली बहुत सारा बदलाव आ जाएगा, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स में, एथलीट्स में और कोचेस में बहुत अच्छा पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस है।
Okay, now we see Lee Jeon, who just finished a climb. It appears that bib number 155, Lee Jeon, maybe just short of the previous girl's move. I think the previous girl must be, I think, one positive move, or rather two more.